Can I please call on our next guest of honor? He's a man who's given us so many lovable icons. Vidhu Vinod Chopra, can we have you on stage, please? He will give away the awards in the next category of youth. Ladies and gentlemen, you're going to see young blood, out-of-the-box ideas, and real difference on the ground. Faith Gonzalez, can we have you on stage, please?
Faith Dharma Gonzalez. 23-year-old Faith Gonzalez is bringing music into the lives of 350 street children in Delhi through her organization Music Basti. Thrice a week, Faith and her team impart music lessons to these children spread across 3 homes in the capital.
मेरे को लगता है कि मैं सिंगिंग सीख के इंडियन आइडल में जाऊं और फेमस हूं.
Music has given the children the courage to not just sing to the world, but also face it with confidence.
I heard someone on that clip saying, I want to be an Indian Idol one day.
No, that's not the aim. Part of what we do is actually working with communities of the most vulnerable children that live in the city. I mean, for me, living in Delhi, growing up in Delhi, there's a general sense of indifference and apathy towards communities that we don't engage with. So sometimes young people need sort of like a kick and a motivation that makes sense to them. And music is something that I think there's so many young people in Delhi that are involved with, so it definitely is something that they like to do, and it gives them a new way of reaching out and working with children, getting to know children who otherwise you look away from or shun when you're in cars on the street or when you're walking by places where you don't engage with them at all. So this is a way of building relationships and building the community in a fun and energetic, excitable way.
Nilesh Gaonkar, can we have you on stage, please?
Nilesh Gaonkar. Just 24 years old, Nilesh Gaonkar took on the mining mafia near his village Gaure in Goa.
एक साल में ही उन्होंने पूरा माउंटेन खत्म कर दिया.
In just 1 year, the 5 mining companies had destroyed the natural nalas, the only source of drinking water for the villagers. Nilesh gathered evidence and knocked on the doors of Goa's courts. He rallied the villagers and blocked the roads for over 30 days.
हम जब सब गांव वाले एक साथ रहेंगे, तभी हमको कौन सी भी बड़ी-बड़ी शक्ति हमको हरा नहीं सकेगी.
Nilesh managed to get a stay order on one of the mines.
I'm told, Nilesh, you were targeted, that you have been targeted by the authorities in Goa for trying to expose the mining mafia.
Yeah, I exposed so many times. We done agitation so peacefully, and मुझे लग रहा था कि मुझे मेरे लोगों को संभालना है. जब भी एजिटेशन 300 लोगों को जब भी एजिटेशन को लाते हैं, रास्ते पे लाते हैं, इनको संभालना बहुत डिफिकल्ट होता है, क्योंकि कुछ भी तोड़फोड़ हुई तो पूरा एजिटेशन खत्म हो जाता है. क्योंकि पुलिस को मालूम है, पुलिस वही हमारे एक चांस को देती है. और गोवा की पुलिस है और हमारे केपी तालुका की, वो पुलिस की काम नहीं करती. माइनिंग का कॉन्ट्रैक्टर है, ट्रांसपोर्टेशन का. और
यानी सिंघम जैसे वो जो पिक्चर में जो पुलिस ऑफिसर एक गोवा में चाहिए अब, जो पॉलिटिशियन को भी तोड़ेगा और माइनिंग माफिया को भी टैकल करेगा.
Our next real hero, Rajesh Bhatt, can we have you on stage, please?
Rajesh Bhatt Subraya. Just 27, Rajesh Bhatt left his techies job in Bangalore to transform lives in the most backward districts of Karnataka. He runs the Head Held High Foundation that trains young illiterate villagers to become BPO executives.
Our intention is to enable every villager to live a life of dignity with their head held high.
An experiment that started with 8 has now provided employment to over 113 youth who in turn are doing their bit for their villages.
Our inspiration comes from Guru Rabindranath Tagore's poem, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. Now, before I continue, I just want to introduce you to our real hero, Mr. Ramesh Baled, if you can come over. Ramesh has never ever been to school, And after going through our training, he just wants, Ramesh.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. 4 years ago, I had never thought of getting out of my village. Today, I am on national TV. I'm very happy to be here with all of you. 4 years ago, I didn't know how to write my name in any language. Today, I'm working in a BPO company as a team leader. My dream is to give an opportunity to all the villagers like me.
Our next real hero, Beena Kalindi. Can we have you on stage, please, Beena Kalindi?
Beena Kalindi. In West Bengal's Purulia district, 14-year-old Beena Kalindi is the strongest voice against child marriage. Having seen her elder sister suffer the trauma of an early marriage and 2 miscarriages, Beena became the first girl in her village to reject 4 marriage proposals.
I told them I don't want to get married so early.
In the last 2 years, she has stopped 3 child marriages.
Is she never frightened when she has to stop a child marriage in her village?
আমি ভাবি যে মানে ও গ্রামে তো বাবা মাকে বোঝাতে গিয়ে আমাকে অনেক কিছু কথা বলে, তবু আমি মানে ও কথাটা আমি নিজেকে সংশোধন করে ওকে বোঝাই। ভয় লাগে তবু আমি নিজের ভয়টা কাটে রাখি।
Ritu Vinod Chopra, the same question that I asked Yash Chopra. When are you going to make a... You've got Raju Hirani, your friend there. I mean, these are bigger heroes than possibly even a Munna Bhai can be, that can be made. You asked me about that also. That just give me the stories and you'll make films on them.
To begin with, before I think of making a film, I have to tell Raju Hirani and Abhijat Joshi that they have 1 crore less for their next film because I'd like to give it to the real heroes. When I told my wife Anu, she said, don't tell anybody. But I need to say this because I am really moved and touched by what Neeta and Rajdeep have done. I think it's time for us to realize how small we are really in front of these great people. So I say nothing more, let my actions speak louder than my words. Thank you.
We will make sure that it goes to each and every one of them. You've really made their day and made our day, and we hope that many more like you will be inspired to do similar things for all these people. Thank you so much.
हम महिला नहीं उठाएंगे. For all those women this award goes. They are the real heroes, not me.
I watched this entire show with a tear in the eye and a smile on my face.
A big salam to all those heroes. Next time, Neeta, I'm surely bringing the kids over here as well.